Hey, hello all. Good evening. In the last session, we understand what is the importance of return in a function, and we had taken some examples and we gone through some question and answers. Okay, that was really good. So today, in the yesterday, in the last, we just understand that we can return multiple values from a function. Okay, with the help of arrays or object. But before jumping, before going to learn all these things, we should get some more knowledge on objects and arrays. Okay, let's see how the Joes today, everyone. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay,
Sir.
good. Ready? I'm also ready. So let's write some objects, and we are going to learn some really interesting things today. Daily. So I'm just declaring like a student. This is really good. So I'm just defining the object. Okay. The first name, you can go with a single quotation or double quotation. That is fine. First name, right? I'm just writing Vijay. Last name. And, Vijay Deverakonda. How many of you are Vijay Deverakonda fans? Hey, Pawan, do you know Vijay Deverakonda? You heard about him? Okay, fine. No one knows about Vijay Deverakonda. He's an actor, right? I think the students who are from AP and Telangana obviously will. Yes or no, Pawan? Why people are very silent today? Do you know Vijay Deverakonda or not? Okay, fine. You will answer only for JavaScript questions, right? Okay, that's fantastic. So, Pawan, just tell me if I want to display the first name of this student, what I need to do?
Console.
I'm just asking Pawan and both Pawans. Just tell me what I need to do. I want to see the first name of this student.
Student
Student,
dot first name.
very good. Node app. Okay, it is going to display the first name. So if I want to display the last name, what I need to do?
Student dot last name.
Last name.
Very good. I hope. Okay, fine. So in the same way, suppose if you want to display any kind of value based on this key, either okay, this is the key and this is the value, or you can say entirely it's a property of the object. Okay, fine. So now I want
Which one we call it as key? Which one is value?
this left side one is a key.
Oh, okay.
First name, last name, age is a key, and Vijay is a value. Devarakonda is a value. And Vijay is a value. Okay.
Okay.
It is a number. We don't need to provide a single quotation or double quotation. If it is string, we should give a
Double quotation, double or single. Okay.
Any other questions here? Anyone?
No, sir. For me.
Yeah. Okay, fantastic. So now I want to because I need a full name. Because this is the first name and this is the last name, but I need a full name. What I need to do?
Console dot log.
Okay.
Student dot first name plus last name.
You can use the concatenation.
They look like student
Concatenation.
First
first
name
name plus
plus
give us something like this and student dot
Last name.
okay. Okay, fine. But here, suppose if I create like 100 objects. Suppose if this is the student and this is going to be student 1, like that. If I create 3 objects, just imagine we are creating a 3 objects. So carefully, this is very important. I'm just creating like student 2. Okay, this is one way that student 1 dot first name, student 2 dot first, like that. Student 1 dot first name and student 1 dot last name. So instead of that, okay, we can do in another way. That is in the best way. So here observe carefully. So now we know, right? Suppose we can store marks details in a array. Suppose 50 and 60 and 70 or something. Just example. And even we know, right? Already we have learned. We can store some value as an object inside the object, right? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Pin code that was 509,990 or something, and you can write street, street like GB Nagar or something, okay. But here we can do one more thing. So strings we can store, numbers we can store, arrays we can store, object we can store. At the same time, we can store a function also. Okay, what we can store in object? We can store
Function.
Function.
function. Here, what is the use of these functions inside the object? Okay, I will tell you. So here, I'm just writing a function that is get full name. The function name is, what is that? Get.
Full name.
So before that, I will just explain one simple thing so that it's going to be very easy. So here, outside, what I'm doing, I'm just creating a function. Okay, function get full name. So here, if you give a first name, comma, last name, what it will do? It will return this f name plus l. So is this the right one or anything is wrong in this function? Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone should say yes or no. Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no.
Yes, sir.
Everyone just okay. I think someone is writing. I think Sweta, I have sent invitation to you. Suppose if you didn't get an invitation, please just ping me in the WhatsApp or something, so that I will send you an invitation for you, so that you know.
Do we have, sir, sorry for interruption. Do we have anything related to WhatsApp group for this?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, can you please add me, like,
Sure. You can ping me. So like Sujan knows, right?
yeah,
Just forward your number to Sujan. Sujan will forward your number to me.
yeah, yes, sure.
So we can write a function, right? So how this function will work? Observe carefully. If you invoke get full name, okay, get full name. Here, what you need to do? Student dot first name, comma, student dot last name. Can we do like this or not? Is this the right approach? Just say yes or no. This is a function. The function is expecting 2 parameters.
Yes, sir.
Function is expecting 2. It is like a simple addition, like, you know, right? You can create a function add. You can do x comma y. Okay. You can do x plus y, right? So if you just invoke add 5 comma 6, what will happen? It will calculate 5 plus 6, because 5 will store into x and 6 is going to store in y, and it will calculate 5 plus 6. The value is 11 and it is going to return. So if you want to store that value, you can store in a let the sum is equal to something, so that you can display console.logs that value. Do you agree with me or not? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So in the same way, what we are doing here, get full name. I just written a simple function that is called get full name. If you pass the first name of this student and if you pass the last name of this student, this information, the student dot first name means the Vijay is going to store in this f name variable, and student dot last name, that is Devarakonda, is going to store in this last name. So it will, what it will do, it will construct a string, right? First name plus, and you have given some space, and last name, so that it will construct Vijay space Devarakonda, and it is going to return. So here what we can do, so I'm just putting let a full name, and just let full name. So if I do console.log full name, whether it will work or not.
Uh,
Yeah,
Work,
please.
sir.
If you have any question, no problem, ask. Yeah. Whether it will print Vijay Devarakonda or it will throw error or what it will do.
Vijay Devarakonda.
Will print.
Because everyone should say, just ping me in the chat whether it will print Vijay Devarakonda or maybe Anand Devarakonda or any other Kondas. Quick, what it will print? Okay, yes or no? Otherwise, you just ping, just tell me yes or no. It will print, right? Yeah, it will print. It's a very, very simple thing, right? So just let's execute that one. See here, node app. So it's printing. It's printing. Fantastic, fantastic. So here we have a function that is taking a first name and last name, and it will print. It will return the full name. So now what I'm doing, observe carefully. Now what I'm doing. Now what I'm doing. So the same thing we can do in a different way. Okay, the same program we can do with the arrow, like we can do like this. Okay, constant. What I'm doing, get full name, because we can write function like this also. Someone is trying to join. So please don't join late. So you will miss a lot of things and you can't understand what we are talking. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to do similar kind of things with a different syntax. Observe carefully. First name. Okay. Now tell me whether it will work or not if I do this. What I'm doing, I have created a simple function. I just stored that function into get full name, so that this is the name for this function. Okay. So if I do get full name, and same, I'm just passing student at first name, student at last name to this first name and last name. So it will calculate this one, and it should return the full name into this full name variable. It will print. That's what my expectation. So just tell me whether it will print Vijay Devarakonda or not. Yes or no?
It will print, sir.
Yeah, everyone should say whether it will work or not.
Yes, sir, it will print.
Okay, just ping me in the chat. Yes or no, quickly. Just ping me again. Quick. Because we can write function in that also, in that way. So I will explain. Okay, function, definition, function, expression, named function, expression, lots of things are there. Arrow functions, lots of functions are there. Okay, slowly we are going to learn each and everything. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. So okay, because here we can write functions like this also. Now observe carefully what I'm doing. So this get full name, same thing. I'm just giving here. Just put a colon. Just copy this one. Okay. Okay. Yes, we can write a function. We can write a function inside the object. So this is the get full name. Observe carefully what it is. It is a get full name, and this is a function, and if we give a f name and l name, it is going to construct the full name and it will return. Okay, so previously we have a function outside, so that we have called that function directly like get full name. It was working. Now tell me how to call that function.
Student dot get full
Student
name.
dot
Let full name. Yeah, tell me.
Student dot
Student dot.
get full name.
Get full name.
Very
Yes.
good. Now what we can pass here?
We can pass.
No problem. Tell me.
Yes, sir. We can pass student dot
Yes, we can pass.
first name.
First name, comma.
Student dot last name.
Student dot last name.
Student dot last name. Yes. So whether it will work or not. So I'm not going to ask the question because this is something new. Okay. Yes, it is 100% correct. Let's see whether it will print the output. No. Working or not?
Yes, sir. Working.
Yes, sir. Working.
Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now just create a similar kind of object. So right now I've taken a student. You should take employee or any other thing. So you can define first name and last name, age. You don't need to define marks and address for now. So just define first name and last name. Let me remove these things also. So get full name. You just create a simple object and call that object and pass the values of the same object, first name and last name, and get the full name and print. Quick. This is very, very important. Everyone should do practice and send me a screenshot. Maybe it will take 5 to 10 minutes. If you how many of you join with the mobile? Shobharani, okay. Sai Kumar, okay. Only 2 people. Okay, fine. What's the reason? Shobharani and Sai Kumar?
Charging ledu, power ledu, sir.
Okay, due to power. Okay, rain. We can understand. Okay, fine. If you have a pen and paper, you can just write the same thing and send in the WhatsApp group. I will cross check if possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Same thing for Sai Kumar, Sai Kiran, whatever. Do it quick. Okay, after 1 week, I will just conduct some kind of mock interview. Okay, once we complete 20 sessions. Okay, so this is third week, right? Once we complete 4 weeks of training, and I will conduct a mock interviews.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me, Sweta.
sir, can you please repeat the question again?
A question.
ఇందాక మీరు చేయమని చెప్పారు కదా సార్ ఏం చేయ
సేమ్ ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ క్రియేట్ చేయండి, ఎంప్లాయీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్.
ఓకే డీటెయిల్స్ ఎంప్లాయీ డీటెయిల్స్ తీసుకొని ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ అంతేనా సార్?
అంతే, నథింగ్ మోర్ దెన్ దట్. Before watching this video on YouTube, you should also do practice. Okay, fine. So that you can now. This is also fine. If you can do practice on pen and with the pen and paper, that is also fantastic. You should visualize the things. I think only few students done a practice on functions. Okay, I didn't see any screenshots from last 2 days. Okay, whatever you do practice, just send me a screenshot. Good, good, good. Very good, Gopi, Krishna, Janmaya. I will cross check each and every screenshot once I will get some time. Okay, fine. Do it quickly. Okay, I just lost the network. I came back. Hopefully, you're able to see. Okay. I think you're not able to see my screen. Let me share. Down here also power cut is there. I just connected through mobile. If you get some delay in my voice, sorry about that. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Do it practice quickly because if you do practice, then only you can understand what I'm going to say in next 5 minutes. That's why. Quick. Very good, Pawan. Yeah, very good. Okay, fantastic, fantastic, Shubharani. Very good. That's fine. Even if you write correct program on pen and paper, that's fantastic. Qualification, employee number, get full name. Okay, Pankaj, suppose if you are using this keyword, why you are passing? Because if you see this function is not expecting any parameters, right? Why you are sending a employee first name? Okay, this function is not expecting any parameters. Okay, you are passing one argument, employee first name, where it is going to store. Understood my question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because this function is not expecting anything, right? Suppose add function is there, x comma y. Suppose function add x comma y. So if you have a parameters, then only you can pass the arguments. Otherwise, there is no use. Okay, I will explain that. But okay, you are using this keyword. Okay, that's what we are going to discuss in next 5 minutes. But you don't need to pass employer at first name again. That I will explain.
It was taking me fast. Actually, I was doing my other thing, so that's why I use this keyword.
Okay, fine. At least you know, right? Because if we don't have any parameter, we don't need to pass any argument. Okay, that I will explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. What about remaining students? You are doing practice or you need some more time to finish that one? Or you need any help? If you need any help, just ask. The first name, last name. Okay. One small thing, Shiva, experience is there at line number 5. We should not start with capital letter. Just give a small letter. Apart from that, everything is good.
Okay, sir. Yes.
That's a small thing. Actually, that's not a mistake. That's the practice.
Okay.
Done. I think I got only 4 screenshots. Shiva done, Pankaj done, Shobharani done, Pavan done, and yeah, Sai Charan also done. 5 people. What about remaining? If you need any help, ask me. Share your screen. I will help you. Okay, very good.
Sir, I have sent you in WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay, don't because at line number 1 you have created object with capital letter, right? In employee E, okay, that should be small letter, okay. But from that, okay, again you did a mistake because I told you, okay, నేను ఫంక్షన్ ఎక్కడ డిక్లేర్ చేయమని చెప్పాను. చూడండి ఒకసారి, ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఫంక్షన్? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఉందా, అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉందా? శ్వేత,
sir.
ఈ గెట్ ఫుల్ నేమ్ అనేది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లోపల ఉందా, బయట ఉందా?
Sir, ఇది నేను పంపించలేదు సార్.
ఓకే, ఎవరు పంపించారు?
నేను వాట్సాప్ లో షేర్ చేశాను, చూడండి సార్.
నేను అడుగుతుంది వాట్సాప్ లోనే. వాట్సాప్ లో
చెప్పండి సార్.
ఫస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ లో ఎంప్లాయీ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ తో స్టార్ట్ చేశారా? ఈ
కాన్స్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఈ క్యాపిటల్, ఓకే, స్మాల్ లెటర్ ఇవ్వమంటున్నారు.
స్మాల్ లెటర్.
ఓకే,
సో ఇక్కడ
నెక్స్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డిక్లేర్ చేశాను కదా సార్.
ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫస్ట్ చెప్పాను అవుట్ సైడ్ చేయొచ్చు అని, తర్వాత నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను కదా ఇన్సైడ్ చేయమని.
ఓకే,
చెప్పానా లేదా? Shweta, got it, this one?
yeah sir, okay sir.
You can store function the value to a object. Okay? Just do this one. Okay, we can do like this also. Just do that practice and send me a screenshot. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, this is good.
So this is wrong. This one is wrong. I again sent you. Please check last one.
What's wrong? Employee 1.
EMP.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
I forgot to write this thing.
Okay.
But I again sent you. Please check that.
Always before sending to me, execute it, okay, so that you can find out the mistakes easily. Don't hurry that I need to send quickly or something. Okay, good. This is also fine. Yeah, perfect. Okay, done everyone? Someone wants to join. Hi, Om Prakash. ఏంటి ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోయిందా ఈరోజు? Okay, fine. So I have given more than 10 minutes. If you didn't practice, just hold on. You can do practice later. Okay, everyone? Okay, I understood. Okay, same exam is there. Okay, also same exam. Nice. Okay, fantastic. So just come back. Just come back to the code. Just tell me, are you able to see my screen clearly, everyone?
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
stop doing.
Yes, sir.
Stop doing and just watch and listen what we are doing. Okay. So finally, I'm just removing this thing because you guys done a practice. Because yes, we can create a function outside. That is anyway we can do it. But inside the object also, we can define this function. Okay, and we can assign that function to the key that is called get full name. So here, observe carefully. In JavaScript, there is a keyword called this. Okay, this keyword is going to be the most dangerous thing at the same time, most confusing thing, and most interesting thing. Okay, okay. Many people will struggle to understand this keyword because even experienced people also do get confusion because this keyword is that much confusing. Okay, so are you ready to understand what is this keyword? Of course, it's not going to be complete in 1 or 5 minutes or 10 minutes or one day. So continuously, maybe we can discuss about this keyword maybe 10 to 15 times in next 100 sessions. Are you ready to learn about this keyword? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Because this keyword is very important, especially in JavaScript. Okay, what is this keyword? Okay, before that, I will ask one simple question. Okay, before that, I will ask simple question. Okay, who is going to answer? This is not related to the JavaScript, just general thing. Who is ready to answer? Just raise your hand. Very simple thing. Don't worry. It's not going to be complex. Who is going to answer? No one is ready.
I will give an attempt, sir.
Okay. Who is said? Prudvi? Yeah. Very good, Prudvi. Get ready. Simple thing. So if you see, suppose you are from which district or which place, Prudvi? Warangal, right?
Vishakhapatnam.
Okay, Vizag.
Vishakhapatnam. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. This is a code, right? Vizag or Vizag?
Yes. VSKP.
VSK. Sorry. I booked tickets many times. Right? VSK, Vishakhapatnam.
VSKP.
VSKP.
Yes.
Okay. This is a IRTC code.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now you are in Hyderabad, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
You are in Hyderabad. So right now you are in Hyderabad. So if I ask about Vishakhapatnam, okay, what you will say? Okay, Vishakhapatnam is really beautiful city. I just born and brought up in Vishakhapatnam. Just tell me what is your school name?
Vidwan.
Okay, just tell me about Vishakhapatnam for 30 seconds or 1 minute.
Vishakhapatnam is a coastal area, and the city is very beautiful, and it is in a coastal area of 32 kilometers. And we have a very beautiful all the three categories of security, like airport, like aeronautical, and also from the navy, and also military. Three are there. Apart from this, and Vishakhapatnam is a well organized roadways and all the
Thank you.
municipalities.
Thank you so much. Okay, fantastic. So here, okay, suppose right now you are in Hyderabad, and if you say this is my district means what it means, whether it is a Hyderabad or Vishakhapatnam. So you are there, you are sitting in Hyderabad, and you are saying that this is my district or this is my city.
This representing their here the district of Visakhapatnam.
So now here, if you just call this inside the Hyderabad, that refers to Hyderabad or Vishakhapatnam?
Visakhapatnam.
Vishakhapatnam.
This is there inside Hyderabad, but it is bringing the value of the Vishakhapatnam, referring to Vishakhapatnam.
I'm not asking anything about JavaScript or something. I'm just asking if you are sitting in Hyderabad. You are sitting in Hyderabad right now. You are sitting in Hyderabad, right?
Yes,
Okay. If you say, I don't know about whether you are from Vishakhapatnam or something. So you are saying that, okay, this is my place. So I'm sitting behind you. Okay, right now I'm just sitting here. Okay. If you say
yes.
this is my city means, what does it mean? This means it is referring Hyderabad or Warangal or Delhi or Kolkata.
Hyderabad only.
Hyderabad? Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose we went to Vizag, and at the time you are saying that this is my city. What it is referring? You and
Vishakhapatnam.
me are sitting in Vishakhapatnam, and we are doing some conversation, and you are saying that this is my city. So that refers to Vishakhapatnam, right?
Yes.
Suppose this is a Bangalore. Okay, you went to a Bangalore. So again, you and me went to Bangalore. Okay, for small, just having some cup of coffee. So at the time, you're saying that this is my place. So whether that this refers to Bangalore or Visakhapatnam or Hyderabad.
Bangalore.
Okay, that means wherever you are there, suppose if you are there in Bangalore and if you say this is my country, or otherwise we can go with the countries. So right now, suppose you got a visa and you went to America. Okay, you went to America. So you want to visit America or not?
No.
No. Okay, suppose who wants to visit America? No one. No one. Okay, fine.
Sorry.
Okay, Sweta said. Okay, Sweta, you can answer. Suppose you are there in right now you're staying in USA and you're saying that this is my country. So what I need to understand, USA is your
Then
country or India?
America is my country.
Sorry?
Then it seems America is my country, no, sir. At that place, I'll say this is my country means America was my country, right?
Yes, very good. Suppose you came to India back and you are saying that this is my country. What this will
Then
refer?
India is my country.
Ah, fantastic. Fantastic. You understand what is this keyword. Okay, understood everyone? Suppose if you are there in India, if you say that this is my country means you don't need to say that whether you are talking about Pakistan or China or any other country. So not naturally we will understand that you're staying in India. That's why you're saying that this is my country. That means I will understand that simply that is India is your country, right? Suppose if you are staying in USA, if you are staying in USA and if you said this is my country means it refers to USA. Okay, here we are going to do the same thing. We are going to do the same thing. So if you see, okay, before that, I will just explain one more thing. So few people have a confusion here. Suppose function, hello. Okay, function, say hello. Just function, say hello. So I'm just invoking say hello function. Say hello function. So here I'm saying a message. Okay, message. So here it is expecting a parameter, right? True or false? What is this MSG? Guess.
Parameter.
Okay, parameter. Okay, parameter. Okay. Now I'm doing console.log. Console.log. I just simply display the message what you pass as an argument. So now if I don't pass anything, 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 okay, what will happen? What is the output of this program? Just consider this 4 lines. What it will print?
Then undefined maybe, sir, because nothing was error. It should throw or else undefined.
Okay, because here you have a parameter, but you're not passing. You're not passing. So that means you're not giving anything because you're invoking. You're invoking the function, and it is going to execute this statement, and it will try to read what is there in MSG. So if you don't pass anything, so what it will do? Yes, it
It
will
will
be.
throw an error.
It is not. It is not going to throw any error. It will be undefined. Okay.
Why, sir? Means it should contain some parameter, no, sir. Without
Yeah. Yeah.
parameter, it was like null parameter.
I will tell you because in Java it will throw error, in C#.NET it will throw error, in C language it will throw error, in C++ it will throw error, in JavaScript it is not going to throw any error because JavaScript is very kind. You can do n number of mistakes. Okay, so JavaScript is designed differently so that we need to understand JavaScript differently. Here, if you don't pass anything, JavaScript will understand that okay, what is there in MSG? What is there in MSG if you don't pass anything? By default it is undefined, right?
Undefined.
So that it will,
Undefined.
so that it will print undefined. Okay,
Okay.
but in other programming languages, in especially in Java or C#.NET, so it will throw an
It
error.
will throw an error.
Yeah, what it will say? Hey Raghu, say hello is expecting one parameter, but you're not passing that argument. So I'm just going to throw an error. Throw an error. So there are some problems in JavaScript. This is also one problem. Okay, we can solve these problems with, what is that? Tell me what it is.
Yes, sir.
What it is?
Because
TypeScript.
TypeScript. Okay, there are few problems in JavaScript. TypeScript solves those problems. Okay, if you are learning JavaScript means maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after 10 days or after 1 year, definitely you should learn TypeScript. Okay, so that we can learn in coming days. Don't worry. Right now, so if you don't pass any argument, because this is expecting a parameter, but you're not passing any argument, so it doesn't throw any error. It will simply say that okay, nothing is there, so that I will just print undefined. Okay, so suppose it is not expecting anything. Okay, it is not expecting anything. Hello. So but I'm passing. Good morning. Now tell me, what will be the output for this program? Whether it will throw an error or not, or it will print good morning, or it will print hello, or it will say goodbye.
I think error, sir.
It will throw error, sir.
Okay, just ping me what is your answer in the chat. Quick. I'm asking the question in JavaScript, not in Java, not in C#.NET, not in C++, not in C language. Suppose if you know all other programming language, okay, you can guess the answer, but we are learning JavaScript. That's why 50% of the people will hate JavaScript, 50% of people will love JavaScript. The most hated programming language is also JavaScript. Most loved programming language is also JavaScript. So just tell me what is the answer? Sobrani said error, Pawan said error. What about remaining people? You don't have any opinion? Okay. Sweta said good morning. Okay, fantastic answer. Okay. Everyone
So
should
it will
give an
print
answer.
hello.
I need 15 answers. Okay. Shiv Prasad said hello. Om Prakash said hello. Pankaj said hello. Sai Chiran said hello. Pawan also saying hello. Badri is also saying hello. I think most of the people are saying hello. And Shweta said it's good morning, and someone
sir,
said
one
it's
show code.
okay. I need to show code. Okay, just tell me. Quick. Already it's 6:57. Shweta, what is the answer?
Error or good morning.
Okay, no problem. You can stick with your answers. Okay, let's see what is happening. What is happening? What will happen for this program? So node, what is printing?
No.
Hello.
Hello. Shweta, you are passing good morning, right? You are passing good morning. So where it is going to store? You don't have any parameters, right? You don't have any parameters. So that even if you pass good morning or good evening, even if you pass 100 parameters, 100 arguments, nothing. It will be a waste of time, right? So it is not, it will, in JavaScript, it is not going to throw any error. So you're saying that good morning and say hello. He said that, okay, you're giving some good morning. Okay, hello said, okay, I don't want this good morning. Just keep with you. That's it. I don't want that good morning. So you're saying just you're invoking that functions. Okay, I will execute console.log. Hello, that's fine. I don't have any problem. So if you don't have a parameters, you don't need to pass anything. Even if you pass, JavaScript will ignore those things. Understood or not?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. If you execute the same kind of program in Java, definitely it will throw an error that it will say that, hey Raghu, I'm not expecting any parameters, but you are passing something as an argument. Okay, that is a blunder. So don't do that. But JavaScript don't throw any error. That's why people will do lots of mistakes while doing projects in JavaScript. Okay, right now that is not the important topic. Yeah, tell me if you have any question, ask me. No? Okay, fine. We can come back to this part. Okay, do you remember? Do you remember if you are there in USA, this is my country means it refers to USA. And once if you come back to India and if you say that this is my country means it refers to India. So we can do the same kind of thing in the object. Observe carefully, observe carefully, observe carefully. Whatever the thing you have written, you have done a practice. Okay, done a practice. You see here, this okay, get full name. Okay, get full name is a property of student or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
student dot get full name. Okay, you are passing student dot first name and student dot last name to the same student, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, passing the same. You because if you see student dot first name is there, student dot get full name is there. You are saying that okay, again you are passing student dot first name and student dot last name. Because if you see anyway you are entering into this object, right? Anyway you are entering into this object. Anyway you are entering into this object. Why I need to pass the first name and last name again to you? So you can
Okay.
collect because if you are going inside the home or something, if you want to take water, you can take water from inside. I no need to bring that water from fridge to outside the garden. Again, I no need to give that water bottle to again into the bedroom or something. Okay, maybe it is meaningful or not that example. So observe carefully. Observe carefully the values because this get full name and first name and last name are already a part of a student, right?
Yes, sir.
Already a part of student. So we no need to pass again. So we have a shortcut. What that shortcut means? You no need to pass it. What I'm saying, hey JavaScript, because I'm invoking student.get full name. Student.get full name. That means you are entering into the same object. You are entering into the same object. And I'm not passing anything, right? I'm not passing any argument. That means don't expect any parameters. Don't expect any parameters. Observe carefully. Because if I don't pass it, how can I access this value from the same object? If you see, observe carefully, you know we no need to pass from any invocation outside. So if I invoke that get full name, you can take the first name and last name from the same object. So if you see what I'm doing, this dot the first name plus this dot last name. Now tell me, this refers to which this? Whether it will refers
Student.
to student
It's
or not?
student.
Current student.
Yeah,
Students.
because you can just remember, if you are there in India, if you say that this is my country means you are referring to India. Okay, so there are many beautiful places in India means, okay, you are referring the places inside the India. So here also this dot first name and this dot last name. So I'm not going to pass any arguments, and this function is also no need to expect those things outside, because these are already a part of the same object, so that
Yes.
we can
Yes.
access inside the object. So if you see, you will get the same result. Working or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood or not?
Understood, sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
this? What is this? What is
Value
this?
within the same object.
Okay, very good. So now I'm creating another object. Constant employee equal to, okay, I'm just defining a similar manner. So here I'm just writing, okay, just tell me your favorite actor. Quick.
Venkatesh.
Okay, Victor Venkatesh. Fine. Victor Venkatesh only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let here ZZZ, I'm just doing employee dot get. Okay, just a minute. Here I'm just doing AAA. So now if I do first console.log AAA, and if I do console.log of ZZZ. Now just tell me what is the result here.
First one Vijay Devarakonda.
Vijay Devarkonda.
Second one,
Second one Victory.
Victory Venkatesh.
Yes,
sure.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you call employee.get full name, it is going to invoke this function. At the time, this refers to employee. So this dot first name means employee dot first
Vice
name,
first.
and this dot last name means employee dot last
By
name.
last name. Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever you invoke a function, a method, okay, we can call method also, that we can discuss later. So student dot get full name, other time, okay, it will execute this statement, this dot first name, other time. This keyword refers to student, and this here also this dot last name refers to
Student.
same object. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You now tell me, understood
Sir.
everyone or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes,
one
sir.
question. One
Yes,
question.
understood.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
in employee details, after written, means written this dot first name, this dot last name was there, no, sir.
Yeah.
At that place means at line number 13, if I just write a written a student dot stud dot first name stud dot last name, is that possible, sir? Stud. Then will I get the details from there? Means Vijay Devarakonda.
Got it or not?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Working, sir. Working.
Yeah, it's working. So, but that is not in JavaScript. It will work, but that is not the good way. Okay. Because from
No,
one
sir. I just
from one
want
object
to
you can access
confirm.
another one also. Okay. Any other questions?
Sir, I understood that one. How we are getting that by using this first one, it is fetching the value by using this one, Vijay Devarkonda. And the second one, it is by Z. How it got mapped to the AA is mapped to Vijay Devarkonda, whereas triple Z is mapped to the Victor Venkatesh. How it was possible?
So if you see, whenever you call employee.get full name, so we are returning some value, right? Okay, employee.get full name means it will go to this object and it will invoke this function. For the time it will take Victory and Venkatesh and it will return, right? So whenever it will
Okay.
return, it will go and it will store in ZZZ.
Uh, so here we referred here as the employee. That's why it is mapped with this.
Yes.
Is it?
Okay. So yeah,
Sir,
do practice. I have some other work. Do practice and get ready with your questions tomorrow. Okay.
sir, one more simple doubt, sir.
Yeah, ask me.
Sir, means we have a concept of calling the same function inside a function, right? In the same way, can we have this one object called in another object, sir?
Yeah, you can call it because here it is not going to do any error, but in real time we don't need that actually. Yeah, if in any situation if you want to implement in that way, you can do it. But right now, up to my knowledge, we don't do like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We can discuss. We can discuss on that. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is just a beginning about this keyword. Okay, don't think that you understand everything. Okay, this is the beginning for this keyword. This is not the end. Okay, we are going to learn a lot of things just related to this keyword and we are going to confuse lots of things. Okay, that's all for today and see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.